if you are a beginner and most of the time you get confused while selecting the self-help books, and most of the time you actually not able to understand what type of book you should read and which book actually can be useful for you, then this video is actually going to be useful for you, because in this video I'm going to talk about top 10 best self-help books which you can read even if you're a beginner and even if you hate reading. So make sure you watch the whole video till the end, because you never know which idea or thought may resonate with you and can change your whole perspective, can change your whole life. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first book from this list is The Rudest Book Ever by Shatav Kanwar, and this is like best book if you are a beginner and want to start reading self-help books, because इसमें जितनी भी बातें लिखी हुई बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल हैं, आपकी लाइफ से एकदम मैच होती हैं। एंड इसमें ऑथर हमें किसी भी जैसे कि लाइफ में जो भी प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं उसका सलूशन नहीं बताते। इनफैक्ट ही इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अगर लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो उसको देखने का आपका जो पर्सपेक्टिव है वो कैसा होना चाहिए, आप किसी भी सिचुएशन को कैसे देखते हैं, इस बारे में बात हो रही है। एंड ही इज़ ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ टू इंक्रीज योर सेल्फ वर्थ, हाउ टू स्टॉप people pleasing, and how to stop controlling others and people surround yourself. So this is like best book if you're a beginner and want to start some reading some self-help books. And the second book from this list is Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller, and this is like amazing book. एंड अगर आप इस बुक को पढ़ना स्टार्ट करेंगे देन यू विल फील लाइक आपका डायरेक्ट कन्वर्सेशन चल रहा है ऑथर के साथ। इतनी अच्छी लैंग्वेज यूज़ करी, इतनी ईजी एंड सिंपल, एक एक वर्ड आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आएगा। और बेसिकली इसमें जो ऑथर बात करते हैं, जो मुझे सबसे अच्छा इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर लगा उसमें ये है कि हाउ टू टर्न योर प्रॉब्लम इनटू अपॉर्चुनिटी। फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ भी आप फेस करते हैं, इफ़ यू फेस काइंड ऑफ लाइक एनी प्रॉब्लम or bad situation in your life, that actually can be beneficial and useful in the future. So basically this book is divided into 3 parts, and each part contains various lessons which are really thought provoking. And author actually talking about how you can change your attitude, especially how to react in that situation when you face something bad in your life, or कुछ अगर बुरा होता है आपके लाइफ में तो उस टाइम आपको कैसे रिएक्ट करना चाहिए। एंड अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो उस प्रॉब्लम को अपॉर्चुनिटी में कैसे बदलें। सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ लाइक हाईली रिकमेंडेशन फ्रॉम माई साइड इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर। एंड द थर्ड बुक फ्रॉम दिस लिस्ट इज एटॉमिक हैबिट्स बाय जेम्स क्लियर। इट इज़ लाइक वेरी famous book, and it is highly recommended by most of the successful people as well. And in this book the author is actually talking about how to break your bad habit and how to build some good habit just by following some particular steps. And he's talking about a complete process, how you can break any bad habit and how you can build some good हैबिट्स इन योर लाइफ सो दैट यू कैन ग्रो इन योर लाइफ। इस बुक की मुझे जो सबसे अच्छी चीज़ें लगी हैं वो है 1% इम्प्रूवमेंट, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज़ फोकस ऑन योर सिस्टम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ योर goals. So if you are a beginner and want to start some self-help books, then you can read this book as well. And the next book is Who Moved My Cheese by Spencer Johnson, and this book is best for how to deal with the sudden changes in your life. Either it can be related to your personal life or it can be related to your work life. And the next book is The Alchemist, and ये बुक तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग होने वाली है, बिकॉज इसको पढ़ने के बाद आप बिल्कुल भी बोर नहीं होंगे। इसमें ऑथर ने बहुत ही अच्छी एंड अमेजिंग एक स्टोरी शेयर करी है, एंड उसको पढ़ने के बाद एंड में आपको समझ आता है कि इस स्टोरी के पीछे कितने अच्छे लेसन छिपे हुए थे। एंड द बेस्ट थिंग, दिस बुक विल एक्चुअली हेल्प यू to find the purpose of your life. And the next book is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, and this is very popular book, but you can read if you are a beginner, because this book will actually help you how to improve your relationships with all the people out there, how to improve relationships in your personal life as well as in your work life. And this book is also best for communication skills as well. And the next book is Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy, and this book is like best book if you are looking a particular book on time management, because this book will teach you all the tips and tricks how to manage your time well and how to finish all the tasks which you set for your whole day and how to plan your whole day. In fact, the best thing about this book is, in this book Brian Tracy is also talking about how to set goals in your life and how to achieve them fast. And the next book is The Magic of Thinking Big. In this book, the author actually shared some principles which you can apply in your relationships, at your workplace, and in your business, and related to your health and finance as well, because this book will actually talks about some fundamentals which will actually gonna help you to improve your relationships and to earn more money, and will give you more happiness in your life just by following some thinking patterns. And the next book is Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach, and this is again like awesome book. इसमें एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग एंड इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी शेयर करी है एक सीगल की ऑथर ने, एंड उस स्टोरी को पढ़ने के बाद यू एक्चुअली गेट सम आइडियाज़ एंड यू एक्चुअली गेट हाउ टू follow your passion and how to follow your dream, because you are the only person who know very well about yourself, and you cannot take advice from other people, and other people cannot give advice you just for your dreams. You are the only person who is responsible for your passion, who is responsible for your dreams, and you have to achieve your dreams. So never ever give up on your dreams and always follow your passion. So that's all for today. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload a new video you can get a notification. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, keep reading, learning and growing in your life. Take care. Bye bye.